Hello everyone, welcome to the geography class for class 7th. We were doing lesson number 7, Europe, political division and the physical features. Topics discussed in previous video. Political division. In this, we have discussed Western European countries, Central European countries, British Isles and Eurasian countries. Topics to be discussed in today's video. Today we will discuss physical features of Europe. In this, we will discuss the Northwestern Highlands. Terms to be discussed in today's video. Number 1. Waterfall. Water falling from great height. Number 2. Gulfs. An inlet water body surrounded by land from three sides. Number 3. Islands. An area of land surrounded by water from three sides. Number 4. Rivers. Stream of water flowing from high ground level to lower ground level. Number 5. Mountains. High hills with pointed peak. Number 6. Plateaus. High flat tableland with rocky and uneven surface. And number 7. Plains. Low, flat and fertile land. Now let's start with today's topic. Today we are going to discuss with physical features. Europe is a country famous for its vast variety of landforms and its physical features. Here the word landforms means relief features. With each step in Europe, it unfolds another spectacular view of nature. Here the word spectacular means beautiful in a dramatic and eye-catching way. Europe has waterfalls, gulfs, islands, rivers, snow-covered mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. Europe can be divided into 4 physical divisions. Number 1, the Northwestern Highlands. Number 2, the Great European Plains. Number 3, the Central Plateau or the Central Uplands. Number 4, Alpine or the Southern Mountains. The Southern Mountains are further divided into many divisions. Number 1, the Pyrenees Mountains. Number 2, the Alps Mountain. Number 3, the Carpathian Mountains. Number 4, the Balkan Mountains. Number 5, the Caucasus Mountains. And the number 6, Apennine Mountains. Let's read the topic. The Northwestern Highlands. The Northwestern Highlands are also known as Scandinavian Highlands. Students, you can mark it other name. Its northern part is known as Fennoscandian Shield. The highlands consist of the oldest mountains of Europe and the plateaus of Northwest Europe. It extends from Norway, Sweden, northern part of Scotland, Wales and Iceland. Students, you can mark it the point extension. Due to the cold climatic zones, the regions lying in this group do not have any deserts. This region is a desert-free region. This region is not having any desert because Arctic Circle passes through Scandinavian Highlands and it lies in a cold climatic zone. It lies in North Frigid Zone. The Northwestern Highlands are not very rich in big rivers and mountains, despite the fact that their mountains are oldest mountains in Europe. It means they are made up of old hard rocks. These mountains are now decreasing in height due to weathering and glacier erosion. Here the word weathering means disintegration and decomposition of rocks at or near the surface of the earth, and glacier means moving sheet of ice. The major mountains in these highlands are the Kolen Mountains that makes the boundary between Sweden and Norway. The Northwestern Highlands extending from Norway, Sweden, Finland up to the British Isles as far as Iceland. They are one of the oldest mountain system of Europe as they are made by the hard ancient rocks. As a result of weathering and glacier erosion, these are not very high and have gentle slopes. However, along the Atlantic coast, where these highlands end up into the sea. The valley formed long and steep sides, narrow inlets. These valleys, which are shaped by the glaciers, are known as fjords and are occupied by the ocean water. These shores make the coastline rugged and eroded. Students, you can draw the map as I have drawn and it is visible to you on the screen. Let's continue with the reading. The lakes are the main features of these highlands. The general features of these highlands are: number A, these highlands are made up of old and hard rocks. This you can make a point, made up, they are made up of old and hard rocks. Number B. These are rocky highlands as river erosion occurs heavily here. Students, we have read already that these mountains are now decreasing in height due to the weathering and the glacier erosion. Number C. The coastlines are penetrated deeply into the sea. Here the word coastline means the boundary line between sea and land. The seas forms highly indented and rugged coastlines. At some places, fjords are also found. Here the word indented mean form deep line and fjords means U-shaped valley submerged under the sea. Number D. Many of these highlands are low, so they gently slope away from the sea. Number E. These islands are less fertile as they are hard and rocky. These islands are not suitable for agriculture. So these islands are rocky highlands and these are not at all suitable for agriculture and growing crops. Number F. These islands are rich in many minerals. For example, copper, aluminium, etc. Now let's discuss the points that you are going to do on copy. On the basis of northwestern mountains, answer the following. Number 1. Location. The northwestern mountains lie in the northwest part of Europe. This is the point, location. Second point, extension. These mountains extend from the Ural Mountains in the east to the Atlantic Ocean in the west. Number 3, countries. It includes Finland, Sweden, Norway, Scotland, and Iceland. Number 4, other name. Its other name is Caledonian Mountains or Scandinavian Mountains. Number 5, types or nature. These are old fold mountains formed by the glaciers. Number 6, divided into. These mountains are further divided into: number 1, the Ural Mountains, number 2, the mountains of Britain, number 3, the Baltic Shield. Number 7, the highest range. Its highest range is Mount Colin. Number 7, speciality. It has many specialities, but we will discuss the few one. Number 1, Norway is full of numerous fjords, that is U-shaped valley. Number 2, in Finland many lakes are found, so it is called the land of thousand lakes. Number 3, it is rich in minerals like copper, iron, etc. So students, this is the end of the today's topic. I hope you understood the topic and you are able to solve some exercises by yourself. Don't forget to fill the map. You have to fill the physical maps also and paste it on your copy. Write down these points on your copies. These are the copy points and you will learn as same I have discussed with you. I hope you will do the same. I will come with the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.